So now I am going to tell you how to attach our string. Okay, so you can make according to yourself, and how to make it I have already shared a video. Okay, so in this video I'm going to tell you how to attach and how to attach the lock. Okay, you can insert the strings like that also if you have the pearls. So but for this necklace it was going to the perfect, so that's why I'm going to tell you. Okay, so we will be needing our this locks. Okay, and firstly what I'm trying to do, I am just inserting my lock. Okay, for that what you have to do, firstly you will insert your jump ring in your crimp hook. Okay, and after that you will insert the hook. So and after you can just close this. We will be needing same. Okay, same, and we will insert over here. Okay, and after that we will close it. So our lock is done. So there are many kinds of locks are available. You can choose according to your choice and can attach it. So but these locks are very very easy, so I use this one. Okay, and for attaching what you have to do, you have to take a jump ring and just insert in your okay, and just it's attached now, and your necklace is almost ready. Okay, we have to just heat it, so you can see our necklace is done. Okay.